Hello everyone, I am Chaitra M. Today we are discussing about the concept cloud computing barriers and cloud adoption. First, we are going to know the cloud computing barriers. Four major barriers are identified when we are going to adopt the cloud computing. First one, security, particularly data security. Security has been the top concern of organizations. When we are going to store the data, we first think about the security. The overall security risks are perceived as higher for cloud services. Second one, governance and regulatory compliance. Cloud computing makes it harder for enterprises to be sure they are complying with industry and government regulations. Well-defined service level agreements (SLAs) that meet stricter corporate standards. Third one, integration and interoperability. There are many platforms in cloud. The operation and platform program all are compatible with service. Sometimes it is incompatible. These are all handled by APIs, application programming introduce. A lack of standard interfaces or APIs for integrating legacy applications with cloud services. Fourth one, cloud deployment. Not everyone can use a cloud. If our requirement is suitable for infrastructure, then only we use a cloud for our services. Not every application is a suitable candidate for moving to a cloud computing environment. Next, we are going to know the cloud adoption. First one, when we are going to start a business in low priority against very large database, traditional web applications and interactive applications, enterprise marketing. It is like a boon to one-time batch processing with limited security requirement. Research and development projects, prototyping to test new services. Applications that scale horizontally on small servers rather than by increasing a server's computational capacity. Applications that need significantly different level of infrastructure means we need a data for a morning or a evening, then we use throughout the day, throughout the month. We need a data for a 15 days in a month, then we use the throughout the month. That has seasonal demand means we need a data for a particular season, exam time or particular time for storing our data. These are all the best examples of cloud deployments. A web startup will need to support a spike in demand when it becomes popular. It is suitable for applications that are loosely coupled, isolated workloads, single virtual appliances and workloads, software development, pre-production systems. It is not suitable for mission critical and core business applications, transaction processing and applications that depend on sensitive data. This process cannot share the high importance data processing power and hardware with the third party. Applications that run 24 into 7 into 365 with steady demand, applications that consume significant amount of money, applications that take full advantage of multiple cores such as those in parallel processing, Application that require high performance file system input output needing high bandwidth inter-servers communications. Cloud does not work well with applications that scale vertically on single servers. In this situation, cloud computing is not suitable for working or our needing. These are all the concept of cloud computing barriers and cloud adoption. Thank you.